Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix age protection on TikTok. Why do you want to know how to fix age protection on TikTok? Well, maybe you don't know how to do it, right? No worry guys, I will show you how to fix age protection on TikTok easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So we have to just open our TikTok mobile application here and you have to just go to the profile which is on the bottom right side corner, and after that you have to click on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right side corner. Then just go to the setting and privacy, and here you have to again click on the privacy, and here if you find this option, just let me show you. So guys, if you just go back and if you scroll a little bit down, here you will see that family pairing. So you have to make sure that the family pairing is currently up, because if you're family pairing with some kid, there will be age protection on TikTok. So if it is turned on, you have to make sure that it is turned off, right? So and after that you will automatically get to see you will not get this feature, or no, you will not get this error of the age protection on TikTok, right? So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix age protection on TikTok, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to fix protection on TikTok, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.